Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can track a face and blur it. So let's get started. So this is the clip I'll be using, and if you want to follow along you can download it from pexel.com. You can find the link in description. So let's say I want to blur his face. Select the clip and go to filter and blur and circle blur. So this is very big, so let's make it small. And this is the center, you can move it where you want. I'll put it here. And let's increase the blurriness. So here you have the option radius and amount. So I'll increase the radius amount to make it more blurry. Once I'm happy, I'll go back here to filter under inspector and right click on center and go to add parameter behaviors and select track. And now we need to track, so click on this red circle here. It will show you here preview what we are about to track. So click and move, you can see the preview. So let's track this corner of eyes. And now we need to just hit analyze button to track forward. We are done. So let's deselect everything and let's go back to home and see that it has tracked perfectly. If still you want to make changes in the blur shape, you can do that. Just go back to circle blur shape and you can increase or decrease the size, and also you can change this. I have a similar video on After Effects how to do the same thing, so don't forget to check out. I hope you find it useful. Thank you so much for watching.